Ding, 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 ding. Yeah. I'm back with another mukbang. Truck bang challenge. Come get you some. Bussin', 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 bussin'. Let's get it. Bussin', bussin', bussin'. We got the trusted Coke Zero. You know what I'm talking about? Bussin', 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 bussin'. Say what up, kinfolk. Bussin', bussin'. It is what it is. You hear me? Hey, me. I'm back with another mukbang. Hey, we got a lobster tail and king crab leg seafood boil today. We got some corn, some angel eggs, and some sausage. We finna get it in a major way. Hey, and y'all know I said I was gonna try to not wear shades again, but these fresh out of Detroit, kinfolk. Carla Roper got me this, boy. I look like 2 Chainz. I'm different. I look like 2 Chainz and Jeezy. Had a stepbrother that ain't had no sense. That's what I look like. Anyway, and I got some sauce. I made a little sauce. I was recording how to make it, but everything went left. So you ain't gonna see that until I perfect it. I ain't gonna sell it or nothing. I just wanted something different. And B-Little Sauce wouldn't get here in time if I wanted to do the video. And I could have did it from scratch, but I ain't have all the ingredients for us. Anyway, we finna say grace and we finna get it in. Coldest water bottle. Link in the description. Use Lilgilmoeats as your discount code. You save 10% off your entire purchase. Keep everything cold. Ain't nothing in here right now, but I knew it was around here somewhere because I was drinking on it out of it last night. But coldest water bottle. Go get you one. I'm sorry. Come get you some. Hey, man. Hey, did I say the corn? Yeah, we got corn. Let me get one of these lobster tails. Let me get one of these lobster tails. I had to turn it off for a second because Bessie don't be playing. And these devil eggs was like, hey, we're melting angel eggs. I'm sorry. Angel eggs. Let me see. Oh, okay. Tastes good anyway. You see that? You see that? That's bussin'. And that's spicy. Uh-oh. That's busting on all type of don't eat lobster tails that often levels. You hear me? I made it a little hot. Tastes like a horseradish or something. I'm gonna eat for a second, kinfolk. Okay, none of this goes away. It's hot. Hey, Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. Oh man, that sauce hot. It's good, but it's hot. You got the flavor that you'll savor, but it'll tear your throat out. You hear me? I know why y'all here. So let me keep eating it. Oh man. How y'all doing today, kinfolk? It's everything. Copacetic. It's good. It's real good. About to run out of drink. Yowza. Look at that big old leg, man. Look at that big old huge leg. It was just gonna be a lobster tail mukbang, which would have made sense because I have 4 of them. But I seen eating spicy with tea. Oh, I gotta get me a crab leg. I had one in the freezer. Waiting on the right moment. Uh-oh. Ooh, excuse me. No time like the present. I needed that bilge, I swear for the Lord. I did. You know, you shouldn't eat lobsters and king crab at the same time. That could have been 2 videos. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. I don't know, I'm sorry. Yeah, eat spicy with tea. Her girl, she don't need nothing but king crab leg. Good Lord. She, man, look at it. It's a lot of meat. I thought it was gonna be bigger. Oh, get on there, Negro. Oh, what y'all been waiting for? I know I have. King crab, I miss you. Beef sausage. I don't know how y'all chew so fast with eating them king crab legs. But y'all won't have no king crab challenge. I know I won't be in it. I'll tell you that. Who can eat the most king crabs in 15 minutes? Your mama, Negro. I ain't doing it. I know this make your money happy. And money keep telling me, do seafood, do seafood. Daddy, we ready for you to get them chick codes. All my friends be watching your videos and they like them. It got to be because you ain't eating seafood. Some of my friends say they won't look at a video if ain't no king crabs in it. I said, well, okay. Can't win them all. Do her mama have some food stamps? That's the only thing I'm tripping. Wonder Woman coming out. It's coming out in theaters and on HBO Max. But do you know, if you don't have an Apple TV, you can't get HBO Max or iPhone or nothing like that. I can get it on my Droid phone, but I try to get it on the TV, HBO Max, they won't let you. Oh no. I got the sausage and the angel egg. And I'm gonna dip it in the sauce, because the sauce is so delicious. Hope I don't choke. Another reason wearing these glasses, protect my eyes. Boy, if this sauce, that king crab juice was a splash in my eye, that would have been a problem. You hear me? There'd have been no more videos. I'll be doing videos like this. Mine say I look like Stevie Wonder with the shade. I say it's Stevie Wonder sharp. Cause that's what I look like. Boy, I look like I'm ready to learn right now. Ain't I? Feel like I got something on my face. Oh man. That's woo-hoo. How long it been now? It been a long time because it's sticky. Whatever. I think I just messed up this whole video. Whatever. I'm gonna keep it pushing. Ooh, that's hot. Boy, that sauce hot. That sauce everywhere. You hear me? I think I pulled half my beard hairs out. You can't really call that a beard. That's what you call a giggity. It ain't no beard, it's a giggity. Hey, let me get the giggity. You sit in the barber chair. I don't cut this up, just leave the giggity. I seen everybody can eat but me, man. I seen B-Love and Zach Choi do a video together. I had never seen them before. She made her sauce on his channel. Like the original sauce. The original sauce. Not sauce in the bag. Well, it might be in the bag, but she had all the ingredients. And they ate 6 lobsters apiece. He was killing them too. He was looking at her, she was looking at him. He was like, you better not eat more than me. She said, boy, what you talking about? I made this sauce. I'm gonna eat all these lobsters. He was like, whatever. He underestimated B-Love. Because he was eating, then she was eating, and then he was eating. Then he started looking at her and said, hey, did she eat more than me? Did she eat more than me? Because I lost track. I was like, and I ain't finna rewind that. I say, she eat more than him? Because he looking at her funny. He looking at her like, good Lord, man, you eat. Yeah, B-Love can eat. B-Love come out of retirement on you, for real. I ain't lying. For real. I don't think she eating quantity no more. Like, she had them chicken wings, she be eating chicken wings like, bam, bam, bam. She used to eat a whole bunch of cream crab legs, she used to eat it. That B-Love, like, she probably think like I do. I ain't finna get big for y'all. But she came out of retirement for Zach Choi. You hear me? I said, hey, Zach, she finna leave you with 3. You ain't finna eat with 3. This I said, oh no, I gotta eat some more. He ain't say that. I don't even know how the boy voice sound. In my head, I think he got an Asian voice because he look Asian. I'm sorry, people. It's just me. I know I know when y'all be talking like I talk, y'all say, hey, blah, 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 blah. You know, but that's just how I talk. It's probably just as how he talk. It was a race for the last lobster. But I think they ate 6 apiece. I don't even know why I started saying. Oh, I said that to say I'm struggling with these 4 and I ain't gonna eat all of them. I'm finna eat some of this king crab. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna do that either. I'm gonna eat. I'm finna finish this corn that I thought I already finished, but I didn't. I'm sitting here running my mouth. I'm tripping. I'm cutting some of this video out. It got no sense at all. Somebody sent me an X-rated DM today. I said, good Lord. And I think she got a man too. He ain't doing his job. Good Lord. I don't even know why I told y'all that. Oh, I told you that because she say she like the way my lips be looking wet when I be eating messy. I don't even know why I tell y'all that. Am I still drunk? Hey, we went live last night, boy. I got told that Fireball bottle about half empty. I shouldn't have drank all that. I woke up this morning like, ooh, why am I telling y'all my business? To learn with an angel egg and a sausage right now. Imani called me and said she got chased by a dog yesterday. But her other two of her huskies came to save her. I said, what's up? She said she got off the bus and it's a boxer. The boxer started running after her. so he might have started running. And then she said Luna and Rocket, 2 huskies. Luna all white, Rocket red. Came and run towards her. She was like, she ain't never been so happy to see them in my life. Hey, you see that? That's juice. That juice in them glasses would have got in my eye. I'd be like, you can feel it all over. Goodbye. And she grabbed them and brought them back to the house. And she didn't want them to fight the dog and beat him up. Her, him over her. And the dog followed her anyway. And she said, Luna and Rocket went chasing after the dog. She said that dog ran away. You hear me? That's good. At least the dog protect them. Because Imani always been scared of dogs, but she got 8 of them. I don't get it. She called me every day. Hey, I'm home. Just wanted to talk to you. It's okay. And I know she know that I like when she feed the dogs on the phone. Come on, come on. She be getting a little aggressive with the dogs, and I be like, man, come on now. Am I leave them dogs alone for a minute? No, they okay. They know who boss. Okay, they sure do. Cause when I'm jump with you, I'm gonna jump on them. Me and my little friends. I'm tripping. Whatever. I don't know where this video went. I remember we went to my grandbaby's birthday party, and me and Faith just sitting up there talking, and Imani came up to us and say, Imani, you want this candy? Because she was handing out bags of candy for people to go home. And Faith said, yeah. And then a dog from next door came over, and me and Imani turned and looked at the dog. It was just a little pit bull, a friendly dog. And when I turned to look at Faith to see if she took the candy, Faith was gone. Gone! So gone. I said, what Faith? I said, Mom, you see Faith? She said, she was standing next to you? I said, no. I know that. Faith did an abracadabra on me. About 2 minutes later, she turned up. She was walking on the other side of the house, looking behind her. I said, "Girl, the dog right there." And she looked. She said, "Oh, okay." I don't know where she went. Always been like that. Ain't give me no notice or nothing. I ain't say, "Daddy, look out," or nothing. She just gone. Always do me like that. She said, if I see the dog, I know you see the dog. I said, "Girl, I got one eye." She said, "Oh." I figured it might be the one scared of the dog, because me and her, they got bit by dogs before. Bad thing about it, I had the chance to take that dog out, and I did. I should have. Looking back on it now, I should have. Kinfolk, I'm full. I ate 2.5 lobster tails, and you know, I ate what I ate, whatever. You need another one of these? No, I ain't. I'm greedy. That's called greed. Let me eat this one, because this one wasn't camera ready, but it made it anyway. You want to see it? See it go in my mouth. I gotta make this whole video up. Hey, kinfolk. Let me get this hug from you. Good grief. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And share some more. And when you get through with that, share again. And check out the shades. Appreciate you, Carla Roper, again. I got some other gifts I'm going to bring out in the next video. The Amazon list that's in my description, it's updated now. And with 2 things left on it, I got to do it again because y'all want to see me something. I'm not really here. It's bought everything and send it to me. So that'll be in the next video. I'm gonna open that stuff up. Well, it's probably already open. But when I get all them gifts in the box, I feel like a kid at Christmas. And as a grown man, my Christmas has been horrible. I'm not really here. Bring me back to the good old days. Without struggle, there is no victory. I love y'all, man. And I'll see y'all next time. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay kinfolk. Bussin'. 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 You got to trust the Coke Zero.